Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to model this roof. Okay, so we're going to use different method for this one. So first, we're going to use it can be modeled using roof by extrusion because of I think. Let's just do a screenshot. If I look from here, I think it looks like this. Okay, so it looks like this, and then there's a void in the middle, and then we just need to create a roof like this, and then cut here, 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 and here. Okay. Okay, so let's so this is the first method, so let's do it. So first create a project, and okay, so here to start, actually let me just try draw some, I'll just use some detail line to just roughly draw. Okay, so this is where this the middle part is, and also maybe I'll just also draw the shape of this roof as well. It looks like from the top it looks like a rectangular shape or square. I'll just do another one, DL, or okay, so something like this. Okay, so this will be the shape of the roof. Okay, so then before we do this roof by extrusion, we need to create a work reference plan, or anything we can draw this roof. So I'll just use a reference plan RP and do a perpendicular to this line. Okay, so that's it. So just maybe I'll just move it to this snap this point. So yeah, so I think drag. Oh yeah. Okay, all good. And then let's do this roof by extrusion. Pick a plan, pick this. So we can go to any of these elevation, but actually let me just cancel this one. So we can also create like a section. We just need to go to view, section. We can just draw a section, just follow this reference plan, and then maybe just increase the depth a little bit, and maybe drag this back a little bit. Okay, so it's not on that. Let's just move it MV SE. Okay, so good. So go back, architecture, roof by extrusion, pick a plan. Okay, pick this reference plan, and now you should be able to find this one. So this is section 2 we just created. So open view, and so this is not critical. This because when we do, it doesn't really matter which level we choose, because it will follow our sketch, not to the level. Okay, so click OK. So now we can just draw the shape. So oh, hang on, I don't know where the edge is. So maybe let's cancel this. Let's go back to the ground floor. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do a reference plan. So maybe just draw this reference plan perpendicular to this reference plan. So I'll do another one. Okay, so now if I go to section, you will see this reference plan here. So it at least tells me where the edge of this roof is, and also we can just increase the height. So now that's it. So we can start this roof by extrusion. Hang on, it's asking us to pick a plan, but we can't pick that reference plan in this view, so we have to go back to do it here, or we can just name it. We can give it a name. Let's call it maybe 1. So now if I go back to section 2, architecture, roof by extrusion. So we can pick this reference plan here. Okay, so click OK, and then we can just create a like an arc. So we're going to just maybe from here to here. So it's a start end radius arc, and just roughly, I guess, maybe something like this. Now we can finish this and go to ground floor. So we need to, so looks like, so this view is not high enough. Let's go to site. So now you can see the whole roof. So we need to adjust the depths, the extrusion end. So this decide where this roof stop. Oh, actually, hang on. Maybe let's just select all these, because they are detail line. They are only visible in this view. So you can copy and paste into a site plan, or you can just change them into model line, so it will be visible in any of the views. So see, it's there, and it's I think it's on ground floor level, right? So now go back to site plan. So we just maybe change to wireframe WF. So maybe how can we do this? How can we snap onto that point? Doesn't really matter. So we can just stop here. Okay. So because we still need to create an opening, so vertical opening. So you can see once you select this roof, you can click on vertical, and now you can pick the edge. Okay. So we can just trim. So this will be one opening, and then we just need to cut another two. Okay, so vertical once. Oh, hang on. It looks like we have some issue here. Maybe we should. I'll try see if we can just create another one here, but I don't think it will work. So you can see it here. It says overlapping lines. I think maybe we can just increase to move this edge to here, and then extend this roof a little bit there. So let's cancel this. Sorry about that. So go to go to section 2 again. So we are going to edit profile. Instead of stop here, we need to offset a little bit. So I'll just use offset. Okay, so offset by maybe 500. So okay, so we'll go a bit over. So finish. Now let's go to site plan again, and also I'm going to just drag this one. So instead of 0, just give it a negative number. So now let's try to. So you can see it's still there. So this is a vertical opening. So let's try to select the vertical opening. So looks like we can't select. We just need to select this roof and then click on this vertical. So this time we just need to let me try, or just delete this. I'm not sure. Oh no, wrong. So actually we cut in the middle. It's not right. So I'll see if I can do this. Yes. So just like we do extrusion. So if you only have one one profile, it will create an extrusion, and then if you have two like a profile, and you create a extrusion with a void in the middle. So this is just opposite, but the same idea. Okay, so and then this and also we also need to cut here. So let's just try again. I'll select. So this is the line. So I'll select the roof. So still selecting the line. I'll HH the line. Oh, where's my roof? Oh, sorry, it's because it's ground floor level. So let's go to site plan. Yeah. So select the roof, and then I'm actually not sure. Let's just go vertical. We need those two lines. Let me just go back to ground floor. So this time, instead of making them model line, so we can also Control C and go to side plan and go paste in same place. So they are still detail line. They are not visible in 3D view, but so it can see them in this view. Okay, so because they are detail line. So let's select the roof, edit, pick line. Let's try to add 2 lines, split SL split, trim TR, and see what happens now this time. So now let's go to 3D view. We have a roof like this. Okay, so yeah, I think this is it. So this is the first method. So you can use roof by extrusion and then use a vertical opening to cut this roof into this shape, right? Okay, so now let's try another method, but before that let me just copy everything here, not this project base point, but just copy everything. So I try to create another one. Okay, so let's have a look in 3D view. So this is actually the roof, which the duplicated roof, but let's just delete it. So I just want this shape here and also inside plan. So maybe I'll just change them to convert these lines into model lines. So in 3D views you can still see them. So the second method for this is we can use, of course we can use mesh. So for mesh, let me think. So to create this shape, I believe we will need at least like 3 profiles. So imagine 1 profile here, second profile in the middle, and last profile there. Okay, so yeah, I think it can be a little bit tricky, but let's try. So I'll just quickly go model in place, mesh. Okay, and let me think what's the best way doing this. I'll just use reference spline through points. Just use reference line. Yeah, that'll be fine. 1, 2, 3. Escape. And then 1, 1, 2 for the second one. We can't really pick anything. That's fine. I'll see if I can tap S2. Looks like it might work. So I'll just pick this point and pick this point. Yeah, great. So and then snap this and midpoint. So the last one, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, because they are spliced through points. So all these points, oh hell, when we place these spline through points, I think we used draw on face. If this is the case, it will be placed onto this line. So I think we just need to not associate. I'll select all these points and then make them not associated. Okay, so this means we can move these points to wherever we want to. Okay, so for this one, so just if you look at this one, so you can see this is slightly lower. So this midpoint is slightly higher, and then though this will be the higher than the first one. So and yeah, so it can be tricky to match this shape, but like you can try to, so this need to go up higher. This one to be, I think, the same as that one, right? So same as that height, this one, and this one's the same height as well, and then this one a little bit higher, and then this one a little bit lower. Right, so this point is roughly in the middle. So just spend some time. You should be able to try to create these 3 profile. So once we have these 3 profile, we can create a form. So this is it. So roughly, okay. So similar to that one, And of course, if we need to add those, so we can, because we already have those two lines, we can just create a, let me think, how can we do it? I'll just do a reference, maybe I'll just use draw on face, and then maybe just draw a, oh hang on, it's not picking that, oh, maybe 3D snapping. Okay, yeah, great. So I'll just draw one line, two line, maybe just close it. Okay, and then select and create a void, and then it should automatically cut. You can see cut this. Okay, so now we have this surface. So massing, we can create a roof by face. Okay, so let's finish mass, go to architecture, roof by face, and pick this create roof. Okay, so and then this is it. So this is another method. So we can create a mass first and then place roof by face. And also, actually, there's another method. We can also use generic model. So not we don't have to use mass. We can use a generic model, but to create a shape like this one, it's better to do it similar to this roof. So what I'm going to do is I'll copy these lines. Okay, let me try to, hang on. Let me just HH the roof, HH the mass, and select all this model line. I'll just copy this to here. Okay, so now I'm going to use a third method. So this time generic model. So first, we need to do the same. We need to do an extrusion. So let's go to side plan. So I'll just copy a reference plan here to here. Okay, so we create model in place. So I use generic model. Okay, and create extrusion, but set work plan. Pick a plan. Okay, and pick this reference plan. So now we can go to section 2 is actually section 4 is here, so we copied from that. So actually let's just use 3D view. Okay, so in 3D view, so it's a little bit tricky here, but we can just roughly do it. Okay, so let's just draw similar to the roof by extrusion, but remember, if you're doing doing generic model, you need to create a closed roof. Okay, so if you're doing a roof by extrusion, you don't have to, you just need to draw a line, so slightly different, and then the thickness of the roof is decided by the type of the roof. So it's go there. Okay, so edit type of that roof. So for extrusion, you have to create a closed roof. Okay, so now let's go to 3D view. So the depth here, so of course it's not enough, right? So I just need to be deep enough, and then maybe I'll just drag this a little bit. So just make sure you cover the whole shape, right? And then we just need to create. We just need to create a void. Let's change to wireframe WF. So we're still in this generic model. So let's go create an extrusion void. But before that, we need to set the work plan back to the level, so ground floor, for example. And then we can just use extrusion void, pick line. So we just need to pick these 4. Okay, and then we just need to create another bigger one. But we are going to cut this as well. So let's just pick these 2. Split SL, split trim TR, and we have the void. So let's go to 3D view. Make sure this void is high enough. Okay, and then we can just use cut and that's it. So that's the generic model, but currently it's a generic model, right? So it's a generic model, and you can actually, so you can go to the category to change it into a roof of, okay, but it's just a one material. It's monolithic, so it will be yeah, so whatever you use, you choose the material, so that's one single material. But if you want to have like multiple material, just like a normal roof, you can also use the roof by face, because this is a generic model. So there are two categories that you can place roof by face or roof by wall on. So one is mass, another one is generic model. Okay, so let's place it here, create a roof. So now you will see, other than this generic model, let me just just hide it, and we also have this basic roof, so we can change to any of this roof. And also you can also see here update to face, which means if you change the model, change the generic model. So for example, I'll go to this generic model. Maybe I'll just change the void. So maybe I'll change this. Okay, so a little bit. Okay, finish. So you'll see the generic. So this is the black part is the generic model. It's being changed, right? But this gray part is the roof. So haven't still haven't update. So you need to go select this roof and click on this. Okay, so it's update to face. And okay, so this is it. So first, roof by extrusion. Second, mass, and then roof by face. Third, so actually third is there's a two. So one is you can just create a generic model or just a roof type model, right? So, and then if you want to use normal, roof, you can place a roof by face. Use a roof by face. Yep, I think that's it. Okay, so I think that's it. And also quite interesting. So you can see this structure. I did a video similar to very similar to those structure. I think if you're interested, that's that. Okay, so that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know. And please just post your ideas or suggestions in this file, and just make sure you post it to the last. Okay, so to the last of the last page. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.